Hi, I'm Leonard from Actec, and today I'm going to talk to you about our magnets and aluminium, but also what happens if you don't have one of our magnets, how you'll be able to use it with our aluminium. So we've got a range of different aluminium profiles in different heights and sizes. Here's two examples for you to have a look at. And both of them all have our patented rear section here at the back that basically allows you to integrate our magnets very easily using this wedge plate here. So simply what a user does is puts their magnet like this, and if this was a steel table, they activate the magnet and hold the formwork down. And this situation here works for our aluminium from 100, 125, 150, 175, 180, 200, 250, and 300 sections that we do. It also works with another product of ours, which is our Polyform product. This is a hybrid product made from plastic and wood fibers that also allows you to use the same magnet irrespective. So aluminium is for long term. This product here gets you at least 20, 30 uses depending how well you look after it, but it cuts just like timber and it has great profiles and so forth. So what do you do if you want to use this formwork? You don't have these magnets yet. So what I've got here is an example of one of our competitors' magnets that's in the marketplace. And this one here has got two holes. And the main difference between these two products is, as you can see, is they have two large holes, and we have here a number of smaller holes. So in order to convert this to work like this, what we've developed is an adapter plate. So this is our simple adapter plate over here. And essentially what we need to do is put this plate on front of this magnet here, and then put a secondary wedge. So to do it, I need the adapter plate, I need our wedge, I'm going to need two large 10mm countersunk screws, and I'm going to need my 6mm countersunk screws, a 6mm Allen key, and a 4mm Allen key. Let me take this one out of the way. So the first step is that we've got to attach this faceplate onto the magnet. So I'm going to do it like so, the Allen key in here, and I line it up. So once I'm happy that that's part of the way in, I then take this here and I assemble this one here, like so. Tighten one side, and then I'm going to go now and I'm going to tighten the other side. Now, the reason why we do this first on this plate, you'll see onto the magnet, is because this secondary plate is actually going to go over here and cover those screws. So it's important we get this first plate on first, so I can tighten it a little bit more, make sure it doesn't come off. Now this not only creates this adapter so we can use this plate, but it also increases the height of the magnet. So it starts to approximate the height of our magnets, our Klingon magnets, so that you have more support for your formwork, which is really important as your formwork gets higher. So the next step here is to get my number 4mm, and I assemble this one here like so. Again, I put it part of the way to get it started, and this way for the rest of the way. And tighten this up here like so. So now these two are exactly in line. So if I was to grab this formwork here, as you can see, pardon us because this is a damaged magnet, you can see this one lines up with the formwork, as does this one here, also lines up with the formwork. If I wanted to join it, you know, it's possible to use our magnet to join profiles. Obviously, we'd want to run two profiles the same. In this case, I'll take this formwork, so I can run this formwork like so, and use our magnet and so forth. So in here, I'm extending an aluminium piece with one of these, and of course, if I wanted to use one of these magnets, I can just attach it wherever I want to. Normally a magnet's about 1/2 meter centers, but just for the purpose of this video, I can show you how that works. So just in summary, I just want to show you, that's our Klingon magnet with our standard adapter. This is our adapter plate that we put on competitors' magnets that uses this wedge to engage with the formwork. It's very easy to use, and once this is on, it should last as long as your alternative magnet works. And of course, when the time comes to replace those, you can always talk to us about the Klingon magnets. Thank you for watching this, and I hope if you have any questions, send us an email on our website, www.actec.com.au.